Hello guys, I am Kushal and today we are gonna trade gold live on deep charts with pure order flow, nothing else. So let's analyze it, what we are looking for in a gold and how we gonna trade it live. So this is absolutely live market. Right now it's just almost 9:40 a.m. 28th April. This is like Asian session. So why I'm trading Asian session? Like mostly मैं New York session trade करता हूँ, but why we are looking for trade in a Asian session in the first place? So let me tell you, let me go to the 15-minute time frame and let me tell you, this is our last 24 hours of comic session, like Friday ka, and then this is our comic session of yesterday, Monday, right? So if we see on a comic session, this is our value area high, point of control and value area low. जो हमारी आज मार्केट स्टार्ट हुई है, जो 28 अप्रैल को जो हमारी एशियन सेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है, वो हमारा हुआ है वैल्यू एरिया के अंदर, राइट हियर एट 3:30 AM. Market opened, market went up, buyers tried to push the market at higher prices, but market rejected from our value area low of लास्ट कोमेक्स सेशन, जो लास्ट 24 आवर्स का जो कोमेक्स सेशन था, market rejected exactly from that area, which means कि buyers are not that aggressive enough to push the market and break this value area low of Friday or like last 24 hours of comex session. So sellers entered in the market and they pushed the market again back in the value area. So we know market करती क्या है mostly, market balance create करती है, then उसके बाद imbalance, balance and then imbalance. So what's this? Let me give me a second right here. Market created balance right here. Before closing the market, यहाँ पे मार्केट ने क्या क्रिएट करा, बैलेंस क्रिएट करा. जब मार्केट ओपन हुई, काइंड ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट और इम्बैलेंस, एंड देन जब यहाँ पे सेलर्स ने रिजेक्ट करा प्राइस को फ्रॉम आवर वैल्यू एरिया लो यहाँ पे, देन सेलर्स ने प्योर डिस्प्लेसमेंट यहाँ पे क्रिएट करी, राइट? प्योर डिस्प्लेसमेंट यहाँ पे सेलर्स ने क्रिएट करी एंड यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द वैल्यू एरिया लो of sorry, from the value area high, buyers tried to push the market higher. You can see a nice higher volume node right here. सो बायर्स ने ट्राई करा था यहाँ पे मार्केट को पुश करने का, स्मॉल यहाँ पे तुम्हें स्मॉल यहाँ पे एक बैलेंस यहाँ पर भी दिखेगा इफ यू गो ना सच लाइक थोड़ा और स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम में, then you will see a nice kind of small consolidation or a range. So one balance market right here, and then price displays lower side पे. So this is our Asian session, like almost 9:40, and this is current volume profile of it for the same session. And you can see जो हमारा point of control है, market balance यहाँ पे create करा था, we got some like crazy moves यहाँ पे ऊपर, but we are creating point of control right exact this area. बट इस एरिया पे मार्केट कर क्या रही है, वी कैन सी द डेल्टा. डेल्टा कहाँ पे ज्यादा है, यहाँ पे जहाँ पे मार्केट ने पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल क्रिएट करा है. नो पॉइंट एट आवर पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल, यू कैन सी देयर आर there is a balanced market again. Market is trying to like range or consolidation right here. It's exact this area. So what my plan is, क्योंकि ये हमारा जो कल का कैश सेशन का कॉमेक सेशन था, लाइक कॉमेक सेशन जो कैश था, कैश सेशन लाइक व्हाटएवर, this is our value area low of it. This is our value area low of our yesterday's COMEX cash session, right? This area, right? So what market is doing? Market जो balance create कर रही है, it's creating right at our value area low of yesterday cash session, and you can see not a single candle closed below our value area low, which means buyers are still defending this area, right? But for how long, we don't know that. So what my plan is, if we close, if any candle closes above the point of control, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a buy trade, and my target would be next balanced area, which is right here. We can target some low volume nodes right here, but my target would be this one. So what I'm waiting for, कि अगर हम पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल को यहाँ पे पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल को यहाँ पे ब्रेक करते हैं ऊपर, एंड फॉर द सेल ट्रेड व्हाट आई एम गोना लुक फॉर, हम इस बैलेंस्ड मार्केट को ब्रेक करें नीचे की तरफ, एंड if I if I'll get confirmation with this order flow footprint delta, then I'm gonna sell a trade, sell this gold trade, and like mostly like for the 2 or 3 hour. So let's wait के market इस balance को create break करती है, नीचे break down होता है या फिर breakout होता है. So that's the plan for now. Okay. exactly at this area we can see market is trying now to close below our value area low right here. So let's go, and there's one thing which I wanna do right here. I'm gonna add this. Look out for the volume. So not much of a candle closure यहाँ पे, जैसी हमको चाहिए वैसी तो क्लोजर नहीं है, बट लेट्स सी. I wanna see a volume increase हो यहाँ पे. हमारी जो वॉल्यूम है, it's like a normal dead volume, mostly not dead, but like this is a 241 contracts, like 82. This is like very dead. What I'm gonna what I want to see a nice volume, like at least for the 400, like 300 plus volume at least, and then a nice closure below our this zone, this balance zone, right? I'm gonna wait for it. Market is just kind of still in a balance, just below our value area low. Let's volume profile को थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाते हैं to see what we are. So our value area low is, I think, is now shifted just exactly right here, just below. This is our new value area low right here. The market is still in a very much in a balance, still in a balance, but this is the point जो हमें यहाँ पे hold करना है. This is the point of control area which we want to hold, this area. I wanna see what market will do यहाँ पे. Let me remove this like balance area, थोड़ा distraction थोड़ा यहाँ से. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trading view पे nice volume. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll just put an alert यहाँ पे trading view पे कि first alert of around this area, okay, if we hit our point of control or break it, and my second alert would be just below our value area low. So जिसका भी alert आता है then I'll get back to you, because this is just like around अभी कितना ही बजा है, like around 10 a.m. So Asian session, late Asian session, and pre-London session is about to open, so which is gonna wait, and I'll let you know कि कहाँ पे ब्रेक होती है मार्केट और क्या बिहेव करती है फिर उसके बाद. ओके, so I just got an alert, market broke our value area low below, and with a nice volume we can see a nice delta of sellers यहाँ पे. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a sell entry यहाँ पे, but just I want to see के market is point of control को hold करे नीचे. So I want to see a kind of candle closure. फिर जैसे ही candle closure मुझे मिलेगा, I'm gonna put an sell entry right here. So let's see, or just maybe a sell stop kind of thing. So we're gonna wait. We just got a nice, at least a volume, a better volume. Previous जो भी हमारा था, और डेल्टा भी काफ़ी अच्छा है इसमें sellers का. So definitely this is a nice move. This is, we just broke our value area low. So this might be a continuation of our imbalanced market. तो market ने जो भी balance create करा था, now this is the chance कि market अब दोबारा another imbalance की discovery में जाएगी to find the next balanced market. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna sell the market at candle closure. So I just entered in the trade. Nice, nice. And we are targeting like around, let's see where I'm gonna put it. So we are like risking around $200, because and my SL is just above the value area low, because I don't want के market अब value area low के ऊपर जाए या फिर value area low पे जाए. So you can see a nice break below our value area low. Is candle market is kind of holding, because we can see a nice volume right here and a nice delta, which means sellers are really aggressive in the market. So I'm gonna target 1 is to we can target 1 is to 3. Let's target 1 is to 3 because this is just an Asian session, right? My SL is just above it and I'm targeting this to almost 3 hour trade. So let's see what will happen. Let's go to the, we are already on a 5-minute time frame. So let's see. We got the volume support right here. We have a volume support. I just want कि जो हमारी ये वाली कैंडल है ये हमारी इसके नीचे ही क्लोज हो. We are already like floating in profit. So what I want कि ये कैंडल अगर हमारी वैल्यू एरिया लो के नीचे ही क्लोज होती है, then there is high chances कि मार्केट यहाँ से डिस्प्लेस कर सकती है नीचे, बिकॉज दिस इज आवर बैलेंस मार्केट. वी टॉक्ड अबाउट इट. मार्केट हमेशा बैलेंस टू इम्बैलेंस ही मूव होती है. वी नो दैट. दिस वाज आवर बैलेंस्ड मार्केट after the imbalanced market, and then nice candle just closed below our value area right here, and now we are targeting this like 1:3 risk reward ratio, because I'm expecting कि before the London session start हमें एक और एक लेग मिलेगा इम्बैलेंस मार्केट का, इम्बैलेंस लेग मिलेगा दोबारा आफ्टर द बैलेंस्ड मार्केट. ऑल द जितने भी यहाँ पे डेल्टा थे मोस्टली जो हमारे सी दैट बिग एस डेल्टा ऑफ sellers right here. Nice. And we got our confirmation with the footprint also, footprint delta. We're just following the order flow. Nice absorption, nice exhaustion of the spires right here. Boom. Wait, what? Bro, what? Whoa. Okay. Boom. Wow. 1:3. Let's go. I was not expecting this nice move. That's actually crazy, right? So another thing, if you ask, if you like wondering कि मेरा SL just इतना छोटा क्यों था? Because I was scalping in gold with the order flow, because I know कि market को यहाँ से ऊपर नहीं जाना. So that's why like I could target whole lot of like 1:10, 1:20 यहाँ पर, but I didn't because I was just sticking at our 1:3, and I was just, it's not just London session yet, so it's just a Asian session. So I was expecting a market will come down here at least for the small leg after the balanced market, but that's a nice move actually, and it's just like around 10:35 a.m. Boom, TP, pure order flow, simple logic of we just AMT, market structure, volume profile, by the order flow, footprint delta, and boom, 1:3 live in the market. Let's go. So I'm gonna put this video on YouTube actually for you all guys to understand how I trade step by step, how I look in the market, what I look in the market before taking any trade. Okay. So another thing, if you wanna make live एक YouTube की वीडियो एक पूरी प्रॉपर लेंथ में या फिर order flow से related, deep chart से related, I will upload in coming week or in the coming days, I guess. But if you wanna take a trade live with me, तो मैं डेली लाइव स्ट्रीम करता हूँ यूट्यूब पे, डेली न्यूयॉर्क सेशन में शाम को 7 बजे. सो सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, लाइक द वीडियो, एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन टर्न ऑन, सो आपको जब रोज 7 बजे आपको उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए जब भी मैं लाइव आऊँ. एंड यू कैन आस्क मी एनीथिंग, एनी क्वेश्चन इन दैट लाइव. एंड ऑल्सो ज्वाइन द डिस्कॉर्ड चैनल, लिंक इज इन द चैनल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन. Join our free Discord community. Great traders. Just let's go. So that's all for today, for this video. So आज न्यूयॉर्क सेशन में मिलते हैं 7 बजे. As always, have a nice day guys. Let's go. Boom.